goes this way. Then this washroom, this is where we feed it. That's the second washroom. So this for the sewage, this for the bathroom. Then you keep going. You keep going. All the way. This side, this is the second clean out that it can be rolled from. Then you keep going. So the green one, that is the service line. You keep going. Then we feed this washroom to here. That one too, that is it there. You keep going. Then this one, in the corner here, we have a tap here, which is going to be a garden tap. In case you want to wash your car or water the grass. Then this side goes into the master bedroom. That's it in the corner there. This is it clean out. Then you keep going this way. It comes here. Okay, pause. Okay. Then it continues from here. All the way, it keep going. It keep going all the way from here